Good day, everyone. Today, we will discuss one of the important units under the Philippine National Police Forensic Group, which is the Crime Scene Investigation or CSI unit. This unit is responsible for processing and examining crime scene using scientific methods and forensic techniques. Their main duty is to collect, preserve, document, and analyze evidence found at a crime scene of a crime. The CSI unit plays a very important role in solving criminal cases because physical evidence can help investigators identify suspects, determine what happened, and support testimonies in court. Crime scene investigators are trained professionals who carefully examine fingerprints, bloodstains, footprints, weapons, and other forms of evidence that may help solve a case. Their work must be accurate because even a small mistake can affect the entire investigation. The CSI unit is part of the PNP-Forensic Group, which focuses on scientific investigation. They use modern tools, cameras, fingerprint powders, or evidence markers, measuring devices, and laboratory examinations to gather facts. CSI personnel follow proper procedures to ensure that all evidence collected can be used legally in court. Crime scene investigation is important because it connects science and law enforcement together. Through careful examination and documentation, the CSI unit helps provide justice for victims and help prevent innocent people from being wrongly accused. Their work is one of the foundations of modern criminal investigation.
Roles and functions of crime scene investigation. The Crime Scene Investigation Unit has many important roles and responsibilities during criminal investigation. One of their main functions is securing and protecting the crime scene. As soon as the investigators arrive, they place barriers or police liners around the area to prevent contamination of the evidence. This is very important because unauthorized people may accidentally destroy fingerprints, footprints, or other important clues. Another role of the Crime Scene Investigation Unit is documentation. Investigators take photographs and videos of the crime scene from different angles before touching anything. They also made sketches and written notes about the location of the evidence. Proper documentation helps preserve the original appearance of the crime scene and can later be presented in court as part of the investigation. Crime scene investigation personnel are also responsible for collecting physical evidence such as fingerprints, blood samples, weapons, hair strands, fibers, footprints, and shell casing. They carefully label and package every piece of evidence to maintain the chain of custody. This process ensures that evidence remains untampered and credible during court proceedings. Lastly, the Crime Scene Investigation Unit works closely with forensic laboratories and police investigators. After gathering evidence, they submit it for laboratory analysis such as DNA testing, fingerprint comparison, and ballistic examination. The results of this examination help investigators identify suspects, reconstruct the crime, and strengthen criminal cases.
An example of criminal case that can be solved through crime scene investigation is a rape case. In this situation, a young woman reported that she was attacked by an unknown suspect while walking home at night. The victim immediately reported the incident to the police, and the crime scene investigation unit was assigned to the process area where the crime happened. When the crime scene investigation personnel arrived, they secured the location and carefully documented the scene through photographs, sketches, and written observations. Investigators searched for physical evidence that may help identify the suspect, such as footprints, fingerprints, clothing fibers, hair strands, and personal belongings that left at the scene. They also collected evidence from the victim through proper medical examination conducted by authorized medical personnel. The evidence gathered was submitted to the forensic laboratory for examination. DNA analysis and fingerprint comparison help investigators identify the suspect. CCTV footage from nearby establishment also supported the findings of the forensic investigation. Because of the scientific evidence collected and analyzed by the Criminal Scene Investigation Unit, the suspect was located and arrested. This case shows how important forensic science is in helping victims obtain justice. Through proper crime scene processing, evidence collections, and laboratory examinations, investigators can identify suspects and strengthen criminal cases. The Criminal Scene Investigation Unit helps ensure that investigations are based on facts and scientific evidence.
For our reenactment, we will present a simulated rape investigation scene. In the scenario, the victim is walking home when an unidentified suspect suddenly approaches and attacks her in an isolated area. After the incident, the victim immediately reports the crime to the authorities. Police officers arrive first to secure the area and prevent contamination of evidence. The crime scene investigation personnel then begin documenting the scene by taking photographs and videos of the surroundings. Evidence markers are placed near important objects such as footprint, discarded items, or clothing found at the location. The CSI investigators carefully collect physical evidence including hair strands, fibers, fingerprints, and other possible traces left by the suspect. They also create sketches and written reports to secure the exact condition of the crime scene. All evidence is properly packed, labeled, and submitted to the forensic laboratory for scientific examination. This reenactment demonstrates the importance of proper forensic procedures in sensitive criminal cases. It highlights how the CSI units uses scientific methods, careful evidence handling, and teamwork to help identify suspects and support the investigations. Through forensic science, investigators can help victims seek justice while ensuring that evidence is accurately preserved and analyzed.
In conclusion, the Crime Scene Investigation Unit is the most of the important division under the PNP-Forensic Group. Their work focuses on the scientific examination of crime scenes and the collection of evidence that may help solve criminal cases. Through proper investigation procedure, they help uncover the truth and support the justice system. The CSI unit performs many responsibilities such as securing crime scenes, documenting evidence, collecting physical clues, and coordinating with forensic laboratories. Their careful work helps investigators identify suspects and determine how crimes happen. Scientific evidence gathered by the CSI unit is often used in court to strengthen criminal cases. Crime scene investigation is not only about solving crimes but also about protecting the innocent and ensuring fairness in the justice system. By using science and technology, CSI personnel help provide accurate and reliable investigations. Crime scene investigation is not only about solving crimes but also about protecting the innocent and ensuring fairness in the justice system. By using science and technology, CSI personnel help provide accurate and reliable investigations. Their dedication and professionalism contribute greatly to public safety and law enforcement. Thank you for listening to our presentation about the crime scene investigation under the PNP Forensic Group. We hope that this presentation helped everyone understand the importance of the forensic science in criminal investigation.